Hello and welcome. This is News English edition. Here's the headline. 80 chiefs among 9 named in CBI's new Chargesheet. UN honors 651 Indian Army peacekeepers for service in DR Congo. Auto firms dismiss concerns over E20 fuel, say no engine damage sent. India's P-8I maritime patrol aircraft in Hawaii for RIMPAC exercise. India-Israel bilateral investment pact comes into effect. PM launches Rs 1.05 lakh crore projects in Rajasthan. Now the news in detail. 80 chiefs among 9 named in CBI's new Chargesheet. Central Bureau of Investigation (CBI) has filed a supplementary chargesheet against 9 individuals, including Arambai Tingle leader Koro Nganba Khuman, in connection with the looting of arms from Manipur Police Training College (MPTC) and 7th India Reserve Battalion (IRB) armories at Pangai during the violence that erupted on May 3, 2023. CBI had earlier filed a chargesheet on January 12, 2024, before the special judge CBI Guwahati against Moirangthem Anand Singh, Athokpam Kajit alias Kishorjit, Loitongbam Michael Mangangcha alias Tolumu, Konthaujam Romojit Maite alias Lukhoi, and Kaisam Johnson in connection with the case. According to the report submitted by the investigating agency to the special judge, CBI Guwahati Hangang Police Station in Imphal East had initially registered an FIR on May 4, 2023 under various sections of the Indian Penal Code and Section 25 of the Arms Act. Following a notification issued by the government of Manipur, the case was transferred to CBI, which re-registered the FIR and took off the investigation. The FIR alleged that at around 1:45 p.m. on May 4, 2023, a large number of youths overpowered sentries deployed at the main gate of MPTC at Pangai, broke open 2 armories of MPTC and another 2 of 7 IRB, and looted a large cache of arms, ammunition, and other items. During the investigation, CBI arrested 5 accused named in the earlier chargesheet in connection with different incidents. Further investigation revealed the alleged involvement of Thokchom Gyaneshwar and Anand Sharma, who were stated to be cadre of a militant outfit involved in the armed looting, and Arambai Tingle member Asem Kanan Singh alias Kanan. CBI said that National Investigation Agency (NIA) informed it through a written communication that Thokchom Gyaneshwar alias Syamjai, Laimayum Anand Sharma alias Ingba, and Ibom Samaite alias Landaba had been arrested in a transnational conspiracy case. CBI subsequently obtained permission from the Chief Judicial Magistrate Kamrup Metro Guwahati and arrested Gyaneshwar and Anand Sharma in connection with the Pangai arms looting case. The agency said both had already been charged in another CBI case relating to the looting of arms from 2nd IRB. Asem Kanan, a former Manipur police constable and Arambai Tingle member, was also arrested for his alleged involvement in the looting of weapons from various places, including MPTC. UN honors 651 Indian Army peacekeepers for service in DR Congo. In a significant recognition of India's enduring contribution to global peacekeeping efforts, 651 Indian Army personnel serving under the United Nations were awarded the United Nations Medal during a ceremonial medal parade held at the Permanent Operating Base in the Democratic Republic of the Congo (DRC), the Army announced on Saturday. The medals were conferred on the peacekeepers during a ceremony held on Friday, July 3. This ceremony recognized the Indian contingent's professionalism, operational excellence, and dedicated service while deployed under the UN peacekeeping mission. According to the Army, the Indian peacekeepers have been serving in one of the United Nations' most challenging and volatile operational environments, where they have consistently displayed exceptional courage, resilience, and commitment in carrying out their responsibilities. Auto firms dismissed concerns over E20 fuel, saying no engine damage seen. Leading passenger vehicle manufacturers Maruti Suzuki India Limited and Toyota Kirloskar Motor TKM have sought to reassure customers over the use of E20 petrol, saying extensive testing and real-world data show no evidence that the higher ethanol blend causes engine damage, excessive wear and tear, or an increase in insurance claims. NDTV Profit reported that executives from both companies said concerns surrounding E20 fuel are largely unfounded and that vehicle-related complaints are more likely linked to fuel contamination or adulteration rather than the ethanol content. India's P-8I maritime patrol aircraft in Hawaii for RIMPAC exercise. Indian Navy's P-8I maritime patrol aircraft is in Hawaii to participate in the Rim of the Pacific exercise, the world's largest naval exercise hosted by the U.S. Pacific Fleet. The theme of the 30th Rim of the Pacific exercise, RIMPAC 2026, is Partners, Integrated and Prepared. The series of exercises began in 1971. 30 nations, over 30 surface ships, 5 submarines, 15 national land forces, more than 206 aircraft and 30,000 personnel are participating in RIMPAC in and around the Hawaiian Islands from June 24 to July 31. India-Israel Bilateral Investment Pact comes into effect. The India-Israel Bilateral Investment Agreement (BIA), which will ensure a secure and predictable investment climate between the two countries, came into force from Saturday, the Finance Ministry said. The pact, which will provide protection to the two-way investments, is expected to contribute to increased cross-border investment activity, it said. The two countries inked the treaty on September 8 last year. The India-Israel BIA also includes portfolio investment in a deviation from such treaties in the past. Israel is the first OECD Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development member with which India has inked this agreement. PM launched Rs 1.05 lakh crore projects in Rajasthan. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Saturday inaugurated the country's first greenfield integrated refinery petrochemical complex and laid the foundation stone for the Jaipur Metro Phase 2 project, Pralatpura to Todi Moat, during a program held in Balotra district. He also dedicated and launched development project worth over Rs 1.05 lakh crore for Rajasthan. The Prime Minister inaugurated the refinery petrochemical complex, which is expected to play a significant role in meeting the energy requirements of both Rajasthan and the nation. Thank you for being with us. This is MM News.